In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add currency in the WP travel engine for the year 25. This is an essential task if you want to ensure that the currency settings align with your business needs and customer expectations. Let's dive right in, taking you through a smooth and straightforward process to help you configure your currency settings efficiently. We begin by logging into the WordPress dashboard of your website. If you're already familiar with WordPress, you'll know this is your central command center where all things related to your website come to life. Once you're logged into the dashboard, it's time to navigate to the settings that we need. Your next step is to locate the WP travel engine settings. To do this, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar, where you'll find the WP travel engine option. Hover over it, and a submenu will appear. Click on Settings, and then proceed to select General. This is where the main configuration happens. Once you're in the General settings, scroll down until you reach the Currency Settings section. Here, you'll be able to customize the currency display for your travel offerings. It's imperative to select the correct currency that reflects your business locale or target market. You should see a drop-down menu that includes options such as USD, INR, EUR, and more. Simply choose whichever currency applies to you or your customer's location to ensure the pricing is clear and correct. Next, let's configure the position of the currency symbol. You have the option to place it either before or after the price. This might seem minor, but it's actually crucial for clarity, especially when dealing with international clientele. In some regions, it's customary to display the symbol before the amount, whereas in others, positioning it after might be more familiar. Choose the option that best suits your audience to facilitate a seamless user experience. Once you've made your selections, it's essential to save your settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll find a Save Settings button. Click on it to ensure that all changes you've made are stored and reflected on your site. Finally, it's always a good practice to verify that your changes have been correctly implemented. To do this, visit a trip or booking page on your site. Check that the currency is displayed just like you configured it, making sure the symbol is in the right place and the correct currency code is shown. This step confirms that everything is working properly, ensuring a coherent display for all potential clients visiting your site. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add and customize currency in your WP travel engine. By following these steps, you ensure that your website is ready to accommodate users from all over the globe, providing clarity and precision in every transaction. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.